Hi guys, today we're going to look at the new 2021 coin collection celebrating 30 years of the Wiggles from the Royal Australian Mint. So on the front of the pack we've got the Wiggles, Anthony, Emma, Lochy, Simon. And if we open it up we've got 4 $2 coins and 2 $1 coins. And if we look at the coins, so the first coin we've got is Captain Feathersword. And it's got that red ring around there with the picture of Captain Feathersword in the centre. The second coin is Dorothy the Dinosaur. And that's got a yellow ring around the inside of that $2 coin with the picture of Dorothy in the centre. The third coin is Wags the dog, and that's got a picture of Wags in the middle and a very pretty blue ring around the inside of the coin. And finally, the last $2 coin is Henry the Octopus, and that is a purple coin with a picture of Henry in the centre of the coin. Now the $1 coins. First we've got 30 years of the Wiggles, 1991, and it's got a picture of the big red car, and that's the big red car that's featured over here. Now the other $1 coin, 30 years of the Wiggles, 2021. So that's the current year. And once again, we've got the big red car. Now over on the left, it says, celebrating 30 years of the Wiggles. The Royal Australian Mint proudly presents this colourful collection featuring beloved characters, the Wiggles and their friends, Captain Feathersword, Dorothy the Dinosaur, Wags the dog, and Henry the Octopus. These coins reflect the joy, creativity, and popularity of the Wiggles. Emma, Lochy, Simon, along with Anthony, continue to entertain and delight children worldwide, following in the footsteps of the original members Greg, Jeff, and Murray. The coins are housed within a plastic sheet, and you can remove this plastic sheet, and if we turn them over on the back of the coins, then we can see they're stamped Queen Elizabeth II, Australia, 2021. So that is the 2021 coin collection celebrating 30 years of the Wiggles.